So guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually do screenshots on your PC, on your laptop. How you can do your screenshots on your laptop. You are doing something on your laptop and you want to screenshot it. How do you achieve it? I'm going to be showing you two ways. Number one, how you can screenshot the entire screen. Then number two, how you can screenshot a portion of your screen. So without much ado, let's get started. So what you are going to do is to go to your keyboard, then the first line, the F keys, then just locate print screen there. Once you see the print screen, then press your window button, and if you are using Mac, just press your command button, then print screen. So as you can see, this screen is already printed, as you can see now. Now let's say you want to just screenshot a portion of that particular screen. You want to screenshot a portion of your screen. All you need to do is to press your shift key, the window key, and then S. Now once you press it, you will see something like this will pop up. As you are seeing it like this, it will pop up, which will give you this sign, meaning that you can screenshot a portion of that place. So all you need to do is to drag this cursor to that particular portion where you want to screenshot. Let's say like this, I want to screenshot this particular portion. Now this particular portion is taken already. So that's how you do it on your PC. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that you can always get notified each time I drop amazing videos like this. Thank you.